Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and I'm gonna just do a short different type video today because I'm gonna talk about the future of the channel. If you look, last week's video was 189 weeks consecutively posting a video, which is like over 3.5 years. I really didn't want to have to make this video, but I think I owe it to all the people who watch my videos and comment all the time. I just thought I'd really let you know what's going on, because the channel isn't where I want it to be. There's a whole lot of other things. There's other passions in my life that I've been neglecting because this takes up so much time. I haven't had time to do them. So I've made a decision that I'm not going to be posting videos nearly as frequently as I do. This isn't a bitch fest. This isn't me being a little whiny baby. This is me taking 100% ownership for this and saying, I guess I haven't made videos that you guys want to watch. I wish my channel was bigger. It's not. These videos cost money, lots of time, and I had to make a decision. Is it the right decision? I don't know, but I have to go with the information I have now, and it's just not where I want it to be. And like I said, that's 100% on me. I don't know what the magic potion is. If I did, I wouldn't be doing this. But anyways, I have other things I'm going to be doing, and that just means I won't be posting as many videos. I don't know how frequently yet. I'm still working on that. Sorry. This is just me being open and honest. I've always been very transparent with you guys about everything, on how to do things, how I do things. There's no trickery involved. This is me. This is how I do things. I guess the universe has other plans for me because yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I really didn't want to have to make a video like this, but I think I owe it to everybody just to let you know what's going on. Not that you guys are wondering. The channel is not going anywhere. I'm not quitting. Don't get me wrong. I love doing this, but it takes up so much of my time. It does cost a lot of money to buy all the stuff, and when you don't have a return, that's not the only reason why I'm doing this, but it would be nice to have everything covered, but it's not. And it's the time thing too. It takes up so much time, from shopping, all the prep work, the stuff that you guys don't see behind the scenes, till the actual filming the day of, the editing, and then posting. It is a lot of time, and there's just other things I'm going to be focusing on, which this is going to free up time. Yeah, as you can see in the background, the smoker is going. I'm just doing some stuff for myself today, and I got time, so I figured why not shoot this now. So when this video comes out, this will actually be 190 in the consecutive weeks posting. To me, that is a huge accomplishment. I'm super proud of that. If any of you have actually tried to do YouTube and make videos and stuff, you know that it's hard to do, posting something weekly. And no, I am super proud of myself for doing this. I've learned lots, made some new friends along the way, and my overall appreciation for all this has gone up dramatically. I do appreciate you all. I appreciate the views, the comments, the likes, the shares, all that good stuff. But things need to change, and nothing stays constant. And you won't be getting rid of me. I am going to be still posting videos. Just watch out for them. And yeah, I don't know. This is just me speaking from the heart. This is not scripted. Guys, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. And this is not my final video. So keep watching for the next one. I will be doing a lot of shorts, turning all the long form videos into shorts. For some reason the shorts do way better. I don't know. But full length, they will be coming, and just watch out for them. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all, and like always, happy eating.